share with you because I have a new set up today. We've got this awesome mat here off Amazon the other day, and I love it. So I'm excited to work out with you today and get to try it out a little bit more. So you can either grab shoes or not, your choice. Let's go ahead and get walking. So our first move is just going to be a simple, easy march or walk in place. You can always march or walk around your room too if you feel like you want to use the space you have a little bit more. So I'm just taking it here today with just a quick, easy march in place, and of course feel free to modify as needed as well and go at whatever speed you feel comfortable with. So at any time during today's workout, just make sure to make it work for you. If you need to change up any of the movements, or if you don't really like some of the movements, then go ahead and insert your own move, whatever you think would work best for you. We're going to go ahead and change over to some simple, easy side steps. So this workout is meant to be low impact, and also it's just meant to be a quick, easy 10-minute workout today. You don't need any special or fancy equipment to do it. So just get on a pair of comfortable clothing. That's ideal. And then no shoes required if you don't want them. So I love to be barefoot most of the time, so I'm not wearing shoes today for today's walking video. So just make sure that you're protecting your feet depending on what surface you are on. And we are going to change over to the next movement, just walking forward and back. And of course you can use your space today, so feel free to walk further forward and further back than I am. I'm just trying to stay on my mat for the video, but please feel free if you have a larger space to walk from one end of the room then to the other, or if you have a smaller space, just use the space that you have. So that's the really important thing about working out. You really want to make the workout work for you. So workouts come with limitations sometimes, but we should not let that stop us. So that's why you can always modify and adjust the moves as needed. And we are going to transition to modified jumping jacks. So I like to do modified jumping jacks most of the time when I am doing my walking workouts. You are welcome, if you want a more high impact version, to take this up to a full jumping jack as well, but I'm just keeping it low impact here today for the majority of the moves. So just getting in a great low impact workout, especially since it's so hot over the summer. We don't want to be sweating any more than we have to, right? So I like to just keep this low impact here today. And transitioning into just some simple, easy heel taps. And with these heel taps, you can either stay in place or you can walk forward and back a little bit. It's really your choice for how you'd like to do the movement. So just making sure to dig our heel lightly into the ground. We will do toe taps a little bit later on. So just starting with those heel taps, going one foot and then the other. And we are going to transition into our next movement now. So our next movement is going to be a combo, a hamstring plus bicep curl. So just a combination movement, and you're welcome to take the bicep curl forward or to the side, and then hamstring curl. Also, if you want to take it up a notch today, you could always add a pair of dumbbells too. I'm just keeping this workout pretty simple and easy, so that way you could do it anywhere. You don't need any equipment at all, but always feel free to take it up a notch if you want to. And of course, with this movement as well, you can add more walking into it by walking forward and back. Again, I'm just trying to stay on my mat today, just learning the new features of the new set. And we're going to transition to our next move. Now we're doing those toe taps. So before we were working on those heel taps, digging our heels into the ground, and now we're working on pointing our toes forward. So toe tapping forward with each leg one at a time. And of course, if you want to, you can add some forward and back movement to this as well, or you could just keep it in place. Do what works for you today. And we are going to transition into our next move. Our next move is just some modified skaters. So you could always take this up a notch by doing regular skaters or skater hops even. So just always working at your level. But again, I'm trying to keep this pretty low impact for us for the most of the workout today. So just doing some modified simple skaters. And as you can see, a little head popping up there. So Gus is joining us for the workout today. If you aren't familiar with Gus, he is my West Highland White Terrier, and he has his own segment on the channel just devoted to him, Westy Wednesdays, where I do shorts videos featuring him. So if you want to see more of him, he is on Wednesdays on Shorts. And our next movement, we are going to walk in place with an arm raise. Another great movement to be able to add a pair of dumbbells if you wanted to. Again, I'm just keeping it simple, no equipment needed today, but definitely if you wanted to take it up a notch, you could add a pair of dumbbells while you do your walk in place with arm raise. Also, to take it up another notch if you wanted to, you could walk forward and back with this movement while doing the arm raise. So lots of ways to make the workout work for you and to be able to just change things up a little bit. And we're going to transition into our next movement. So a twist and punch is our next movement. And you can always take this up once again by walking forward and back with your movement or even side to side. So really making it your own today. Also, if twisting does not work for you today, then please feel free to just walk it out, march in place, or any other movement that you prefer to do instead. I usually try to just come back to what I call home base, which is just a walk or a march, and come back to those if there's some more movement which I don't like to do or I can't do for some reason. And we are going to transition into our next movement. So walking forward and back, again, you can always walk from side to side or just use the space you have. So we're just nearing the end of our workout, so trying to get in those last final steps. And we are going to start our last and final movement, a quick, easy jog in place. So of course, if running does not work for you today, feel free to just march it out. So if running does not feel great for you, you can just march on the spot or just do simple walks, or again, any of the other movements that we've done today. But this is the end of our workout, so this is the time to push it to the finish line. Be proud of yourself that you did this workout today, that you got in some extra movement, some extra steps, and walking. So great work today, everyone. If you took the time to do a quick, easy walking workout today, you're going to feel so much better in the end. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I have more videos to come each week.